Hi, it's me. Hello, I'm alive. I'm so alive. I'm so happy. So today you gonna see me unboxing my gift I received from Ruthie's Succulent Obsession. Well, Ruthie is one of my subscribers who came from another subscriber who gave me a shout out, and then she hosted a giveaway, and here is the package from Florida. I'm so excited. Ruthie, say hi.
Hello, my name is Ruthie from Ruthie's Succulent Obsession. Hi Nelly, you're alive.
I'm alive.
Nice to see you, my friend from southern Sweden, and I'm so happy that you are my winner. It's nice to see your subscribers. Just saying hello from southern Florida. Take care. Till next time.
So, I opened it. I have ears. So, originally the giveaway was succulents, since we are not in Europe, so we can send each other cuttings. So Ruthie was very kind and came up with an idea to send me something different. So I don't see anything, and I will open. Yeah. Oh, okay, good. Oh wow. Did they do that? Cool. I have a very, very beautiful card, which is actually amazing because I really, really love butterflies. Oh my god, this is my... Wow, you actually sent it! Oh, my lucky winning ticket, thank you! Oh, thank you for your support, she writes. Keep making awesome videos. Congratulations, I'm so happy you won. I'm also sorry that I was unable to send you plants. Oh yeah, I don't know if they would get there safe. Yeah, I hope you enjoy this garden. Yeah, and she actually have an amazing... Oh my god, thank you so much. I'm really, really happy because she had, when I was watching her videos, she was using all these tools, and I was so, you know, I don't want to say jealous, but I really envy the tools she had. And I see that she sent me even more, that she said, oh my god, oh, I'm loving it. So, this came in a plastic bag, which is always reusable. Remember, reuse your plastic. Oh my god, this is like a... Oh, I love gardening tools. And actually, I wanted to buy some small gardening tools because, you know, to all small succulents, they have small pots or cactus, or all the cactus I have, the small ones, which are growing quite slow. So, oh my god, I already see one big favorite. Oh my god, thank you so much. This will make watering the tiny pots so much easier. I'm loving it. Thank you so much. I'm already really excited. Then, oh yeah, she showed me this in the video. It's for, you know, when you're potting and you wanna dust it off with all this dirt you may dust on the succulents. And then we have a brush, and actually very, very good because you can brush it off all the dirt. Loving it already. Perfect. Oh, guys, can you see how cute this spoon is? Oh my god, it's actually perfect. Curved, so you can actually, you know, to this all the tiny pots. You have the pots like this, and you can just, oh god, I love it. And then we have even more. Oh yeah, this is what I saw her using. Yes, this is what I saw her using. So this is, you know, like a fork kind of, but a different fork. So you can actually pick up the succulent, you know, easy squeezy, like this. Shoop. Perfect. And then you have this nice spatula, no, not spatula, shovel, tiny mini shovel, cute one. So you can just go around and very carefully loosen up. Perfect. Another spoon, I call it spoon, like a measuring, and this is perfect to poking holes in the dirt, you know, instead for fingers like so. Nasty. But I don't care. Oh my god, I'm loving it. Look. Oh, and pinches. I call this pinches, but this is pincette, I guess. And another pincette. Oh yeah, this is the plastic one I was for. Okay, okay, okay. So, and also very, very practical. You know, you have this tiny seedlings, like I have a lot of here. Oh, that's so bright. Yeah, so lots of seedlings and tiny stuff, so you can pick up very easily. I'm sorry, I'm adjusting camera because I'm still not ready. And oh wow, these are really, really good. But how does it work?
Does this thing really work, party?
Yeah. Oh yeah. This one. These are. I think these are herb cutter or herb scissor. They are very delicate, but you can also use it for like make cuttings of maybe philodendron or something. You know, like this, and then you snip it. So these are very, very good. Love it. Thank you so much. And I think this was, yeah. So let me put this inside the plastic bag. So it's perfect. Thank you so much. I'm really, really happy. These are really, really good gifts. Wow. Oh my god. Now I can really sit here in hours. Not that I'm not already doing it. Gosh, I'm sorry. Perfect. These grabbers. I need to Google it.
1 hour later.
Let her say that.
Rake.
Rake. This tool, mini shovel, I love it, and everything is nice in wood, and this tiny thingy. Wow. Oh, and this probably is for, it's one for holding, and two, you can actually use it for your soil or medium you are using, and just, you know, it's amazing. Thank you so much. Or is it an instrument? I don't know, you decide. Maybe it's my nose. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I'm going crazy because this is so lovely and so kind of you. Thank you so much, Ruthie. Thank you so much. And I'm keep looking at your videos and watching you because you have such a fantastic ideas, and I'm loving it. Mwah! Lots of kisses from southern Sweden, from my southern facing balcony. Bye!
Take care. Till next time.